Welcome back. In today's topic, Climate of India, Part 2. I will explain the rainy season. It is also known as the South-West Monsoon. First, I'll explain why monsoon is known as the South-West. Due to the rotation of the earth, a force is generated known as the Coriolis force. In Farrell's law, it's stated that because of this Coriolis force, winds and currents deflect to the right of its path in the northern hemisphere. You can see the straight line is the original path and deflection towards right is shown with the another arrow. Whereas it deflects towards the left of the path in the southern hemisphere. Again, you can see the straight line is the original path and deflection towards left is shown with the help of another arrow. In this diagram, it's clear that in the southern hemisphere, southeast trade winds, which is flowing from southeast direction, after reaching northern hemisphere, it deflects towards its right and start flowing from southwest direction. This southwesterly winds enter India as southwest monsoon. After reaching India, at this point, this southwest monsoon bifurcates in two directions. One goes towards Bay of Bengal as known as Bay of Bengal branch of southwest monsoon and another one is known as Arabian Sea branch of southwest monsoon. The Arabian Sea branch of southwest monsoon strikes the western coast of India in Kerala on 1st June. We can see on the western coast we have highlands known as Western Ghat. This branch strikes the Ghat and shed the moisture and give maximum rainfall towards the windward side of Western Ghat. Thus, Deccan Plateau, which lies in the leeward side of the Western Ghat, gets very little or no rainfall. The amount and duration of rainfall decreases as the winds move northward. Arabian Sea branch gives very little rainfall to Rajasthan due to two reasons. Number one, you can see the Aravalli range. It lies parallel to the moisture-laden winds. Thus, there is no obstruction and there is no rainfall. Second reason is the moisture-laden winds passing over Rajasthan do not saturate, as the heat in the desert region increases their capacity to hold moisture. Thus, they reach Shivalik without shedding their moisture in Rajasthan. The Bay of Bengal branch. Andaman and Nicobar Islands and Sri Lanka are the first to receive rainfall from this branch. Then it moves towards northeast and picks up moisture from Bay of Bengal. Finally, it strikes the hills Garo, Khasi and Jantia and shed the moisture by giving maximum rainfall in Mausinram, which is 16 km west of Cherrapunji, because it lies towards the windward side of Khasi Hills. On the other hand, Shillong gets very little rainfall because it lies towards the leeward side of the Khasi Hills. The remaining portion of Bay of Bengal deflect towards west along the Himalayas. Finally, it merges with Arabian Sea branch and sheds remaining moisture at the foothills of the Himalayas. I am sure today's topic is absolutely clear to all of you. Don't miss out my next video in which I'll explain the retreating southwest monsoon. Thank you.